One of the advantages of wire basket is that it's so much lighter to lift and carry when you're installing it. It's a real health and safety benefit. Newlec wire basket comes with a special gold bichromate finish, which is compliant with the latest ROS and WE requirements. It also offers enhanced protection against corrosion. Once the basket is in place, it's easy to lay out your cable runs, and the cable carrying capacity is the same as you're used to with cable tray. Some people think that wire basket looks flimsy compared to cable tray, but that's just not true. If you need to accommodate new machinery or fittings, simply prise out the connectors and you are free to tee off or bend the wire basket in a new direction. So it's very easy to go around unexpected pillars or those air conditioning units that weren't part of the original plans. In fact, you can take down the whole wire basket installation and start again somewhere else. It's that reusable. And remember, Newlec wire basket is available at competitive prices through every Newey and Ayr branch and online at www.neweysonline.co.uk. So, why not stop and think before your next installation? Perhaps it's time to step into the future and save time and money with Newlec wire basket cable tray.